If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these glittery Crocs by adding some beautiful embellished charms and luxury charms, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be adding some charms and charms only to my Crocs. I'm in a hurry, actually getting ready to leave out. I want to do a video just for people who don't want to add on all that bling and people who just don't want to be bothered with the glue or don't know how to use pickup tools and rhinestones and just aren't at that level yet. So I'm going to be using some luxury charms, and I'm going to be using charms that I made. I've been making quite a few charms lately just so I can have something unique and different. So this might look like a lot. You know, even though I'm just using charms, I'm still going to be a little extra with it. So I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so at first I started out with the letter C because my name begins with a C. I didn't like the way it was laying down. It was just a resin letter I made. So I removed that and I just added on this big resin bear I made. And I just gonna start with a couple just random charms. You know, sometimes when you lay them on there, they either won't lay flat or you could just find a different area where you like them and they look better. So I just kind of randomly was just grabbing some charm, just kind of throwing them on for the sake of the video. Like I said, I was in a hurry on my way out the door, and I know that with this, I can always take them out, move them around, put them in different spaces. So that's like the really cool thing. Now, I really like these glittery Crocs because they're so different, but I was always just kind of skeptical about adding glue to them because, you know, you have to sand them to get them to be nice and rough. So I didn't know how the glue was going to adhere and if things were going to stay on. So I just went ahead with just the charms only. The cool thing about this is you can add a little bit of charms or you can add a whole lot. Then I have this chain here. I wasn't exactly sure how I felt about this chain because how it just dangles all over the place. But it's very sparkly and super cute. I actually do have just a few of these for sale on my website, myroyalradiance.com. And I even have some of the charms that I've made as well. I do have my vendors list available for sale if you're interested. If not, of course, do your own research. But I do have my vendor list, my one vendor that I use to purchase my luxury charms from. And this is like so simple, you guys. You can do this to your Crocs in under 10 minutes. If you don't want to deal with the harsh smells of the glues, the sanding, all the extras, you can still make your Crocs look really super cute. I just have to move the shoe around a lot and just really put some pressure on them, but be careful because if you put too much pressure, your charms will break. If they do, just get you some Loctite glue. Loctite works very well in getting your charms glued back together when they break from the little plunger on the back. So you guys, I'm actually almost finished. You can definitely go less charms than this, or you can add even more. I don't like to have too many holes showing, so I go for a fuller look. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result. I really do like these. If there's just something cool and quick, you could just throw these on and run right out the door. I love the glitter. The glitter, it makes them just so much better, especially because I only have the charms in them. So I think that helps them from looking too plain Jane because I like stuff to be real sparkly. So these were like perfect for me. And then the charms, of course, you can rearrange them. You don't have to have a busy look. You could just do a couple charms here, a couple charms there. I've seen people do 2 charms, 4 charms, 8 charms, a chain on each shoe. You know, it's definitely up to you. Again, I do have charms for sale at myroyalradiance.com. And I do have a discount code that you can use it's for my subscribers. It's Royal Beauty 10 off. So make sure you use that coupon code, and that's good for anything on the website. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it or found it helpful. Hello to all my subscribers. And if you're just stopping by, you're not going to subscribe, thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks again for watching this video, you guys. Bye-bye. Be sure to check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and more. Make sure you use my special coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF. Be sure to visit crtacticaldefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, magazine holsters, and more. Use my coupon code VIBES, VIBES, for a discount. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, you guys, so you'll be updated when I upload a video. And also, check out my playlist that I have available with other Crocs and shoes, wine glasses, and more.